check case study or whatever you want to say. Whenever you work on HP boards or Dell boards specially, you have to notice is your adapter is properly attached original one. That means if this board is HP, then I need HP adapter. Here if you will check, I have attached a adapter, but this fan is not spinning and board is not turn on. If you watch my power consumption, then here it's only 62 milliampere. That means 0.062 milliampere consumption is going on, but my board is not power on. So in this case, if you work so many times and you will not get any result, you have to check is it properly connected or not. That means if you check it, it's for Dell. That means this is not for HP, and if you watch it properly, that means this board is for HP. So when I connect a HP, this is HP, it's an all-in-one board. That means it's also a desktop board. So whenever you will start your work, you have to first start from this very beginning, that you are connecting proper adapter in your proper board. I'm connecting it, triggered, fan power on, check my DC ampere consumption. There may be some problem, it's not the matter. Here my actual motto is to showing all of you that if you connect a wrong adapter, you will not get the actual result from this kind of board. Thank you.